If you're using an Apple Watch SE3 or any Apple Watch, you might expect to see your step count displayed clearly on the main screen, but that's not always how Apple presents it. Unlike some fitness trackers that show steps front and center, Apple organizes your activity into rings and detailed metrics, which can make it a bit confusing if you're specifically looking for your step count. The information is definitely there, but you need to know exactly where to find it. Once you understand how Apple structures fitness data, checking your steps becomes quick and easy. Whether you're tracking your daily movement or just curious about how active you've been, you can access your step count in a few simple taps. Try these. Step 1. Press the digital crown and open the Activity app on your Apple Watch. Step 2. Scroll down on the activity screen using your finger or digital crown. Step 3. Look for the steps section in your daily stats. Step 4. Tap or scroll further to see more detailed activity information. Step 5. For a full breakdown, open the fitness app on your iPhone. Step 6. Check your total steps along with distance and trends.